Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. We're still at the St Agnes Beacon Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and we're off on another one of our walks. This time we're looking for a doggy friendly beach, and everyone's got ahead of me. They're walking up towards the St Agnes Beacon, which we get fabulous views from. So let's go and take a look, see what we can find this morning. Well, we're looking down to the sea here from the beacon along the roadside, and lovely fields, a few houses in the distance, and we're just looking across the way here where we think that's Perranporth in the distance on the corner there. But we're walking down the road now. All over the place we see these old tin mine chimneys. One's looking fairly unstable now, has been fenced off. Took the road to the beach, used our friend Google, and I found a nice rock to sit on while Sue's just walking the dogs down for a paddle. We'll try and walk that way along the coastal path shortly and make our way back to the beacon and a cup of tea apparently. It's midday now, it's high tide here within the last hour. So there's not much beach here at the moment, but love the sound of the sea. Beautiful.
Oh no, I didn't see that. That's good.
Never could get the hang of a good deck chair. noticed a couple of mine shafts that have been covered on the hillside. Well, we've walked a nice stretch of the coastal path and we've come just a little inland to find the beacon. We've come the opposite side of the beacon to the caravan site, and some of the heathers and the gorse along here, really pretty. There's the colours. What do you say, Sue?
Wait till you get to the top.
Is it pretty up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the top. Still climbing. Joe was determined to get there first. That was a score draw. That's a campsite behind us, and we're at St Agnes Beacon. Let's have a look around.
Came up in the dark last night. That was a bit spooky. We won't do that again.
No. Very spooky.
That's the quickest I've ever gone downhill, I tell you. In the dark.
Go and have some tea and cake in the tea rooms. So after that long walk, what you got this afternoon?
Coffee and walnut cake and normal tea.
All right.
Sheila's got lemon and blueberry cake.
Sheila's got lemon and blueberry cake.
And lemon and ginger tea.
Lemon and ginger tea. Yeah, getting into that, ain't you?
All homemade.
Thank you very much, Sue.
Oh, you're welcome.
Here he comes.
Here you are, Joe.
What you got there then, mate?
Cheese and pickle baguette.
A cheese and pickle baguette and a cup of tea. And I've got me gluten-free crisps and me green tea. I know how to live.
Don't go to the table. It's good.
My arm was strategically placed like this, and the next thing I looked, and there's a little dog poking his head through.
Oh, he's hungry.
Yeah, I think he is.
The end of another lovely walk.
Yeah.
Almost
Trying
back.
to stay within.
Almost back at the
camera
caravan now. We're just 100 yards from the Beacon caravan site. So until next time, we'll see you then.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Well, we've got this nice little washing line.
And start again. Focus now. Go.
We've got this nice little washing line, but it's not very stable if it's windy. So Trev very kindly found a way of attaching it. As you can see, it's very well anchored to the ground, so that's not going anywhere fast. I just need you to dismantle it now, darling. I've got to put it away. I've used it once. Get up.